You know what? I think that we can. But in order to show you guys, I have to show you on YouTube, on the Orentine Bowl, on the screen share. It's kind of hard to show on this. It's a small screen. So if you want to see the trade reviews or my full screen, you can always tap into the YouTube as well. It's Jdun Trades. I'm live there every morning. I just went live right now. Let's go ahead and get screen share up. Everybody in Team Bowl. Good morning, good morning, good morning. What up, Jonathan? Let's go. The short was not from a Trump tweet. Nope. I have had shorts in the past from Trump tweets. Not yesterday. That was on what, Friday? Friday after I left? That was about trade. Another gap up. This market has been so whipsaw with gap ups. Gap up, gap down, gap sideways. It's crazy. Just gaps galore. What should be my risk on a 50K eval? Well, on evals, I always recommend people go a bit more aggressive. I don't like wasting time on evals. I don't like wasting weeks on evals. If I'm going to trade an eval, I'd rather spend call it $500 on an eval and get it done in a day, or just cycle them in a day if the price action's there. Or versus, I'd rather than saving $400, spending $100 or $200 and have it taking 2 weeks. Is my time worth? Is $300 worth my week? Absolutely not. Not even close. So that's how I look at it. I'd rather spend my time on a funded, which, by the way, let's pivot a little bit. Right now, you can get straight to funded accounts with Tradeify. You don't have to worry about evals anymore. Trading with Tradeify. You can use code JDUN for 40% off. And when you buy an account, you can enter into the Grand Cup. Do you guys realize how insane this Tradeify Grand Cup is? $200,000 in grand prizes. See if they have it on their main stream. Let's see. Or $1 million in prizes, cash, $200,000 grand reward, and 200 of you guys are going to get live accounts after. 200 of you are going to get live accounts. You also keep 80% of your profits from your live. It is free to enter if you use code JDUN and buy an account. Just saying. And obviously, you got to use code TB when you register for the challenge to represent Team Bull. If one of y'all wins, I already told you I'll give you the Lambo for today to track it. I mean, not any tougher than any other prop firms, Franco. So if you've been looking to trade with Tradeify, now is a great time. It's 40% off. They never do this. They literally never do this. You can use code JDUN for 40% off, and I will do my best every day to give you winning trades to get you paid out, make you a very happy, disciplined trader. None of my beat. Let's do this. Which way are we heading? There we go. Should we be heading bullish up? You guys like Jared Tendler yesterday? I don't own a prop from Odessa. I sold my equity in FFF 7 months ago. I do have partnerships with multiple firms, though. Let's see. Yep. On FFF, it works too. So it does work on FFF too. All right, Greg, I'll get you in the Zoom. So yesterday's short. All right, we caught the small move on this retest down to 57, entered at 61, got to move to 68. This was the initial long that I tried. Trims off in the 80s, stops at break even. This was a setup I actually really liked because we had this impulse candle here with higher volume, as you can see on screen share. So once we came and retested into this, got a bit move up, I was willing to try it with worst case scenario stops below 37. So that was the first trade that I took. And again, it was 1-to-1. We ended up getting like 23, 24 points, which isn't great. But anytime I can get a trim at 1-to-1 and ultimately secure something on a trade that doesn't work out, I'm happy about it, right? So let's talk about the big short, the 3-to-1, the 4-to-1, the monster. I actually was a little bummed. I don't get bummed missing moves. I get bummed when I see something in my system that I just don't execute on. So we see here, we have this impulse candle, and we make this pretty aggressive support, right? Where we touch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. Support, whole body candle through, turn resistance. So once we get this pin bar, right, this reverse hammer right here, with higher selling volume, this is where I start looking for shorts. This is where my short bias really kicks in. If you want screen share, you have to be on YouTube, TikTok. It's YouTube, Jdun Trades. That's where my full screen share is. I'm live there too. This is where my short bias really starts to kick in, because we get this break of structure, higher volume, and a wick rejecting this key level. So I'm looking for shorts in here. I want to see us move up to like 65. We don't end up getting that, so I actually missed the shorts right here. But between us having swing high, lower high, structure break, full body candle down with higher volume, a break and a hold below the 15-minute high right here. Once we get this close here, around this like 960 area, this is where I enter shorts. Actually, it felt like 955, so a little lower. Around this area right here, I enter. My worst case scenario stops are up at 25,000, up at this key level right here. And so on this trade, I have an absolute maximum. Worst case, Trump tweets, market flies, things get out of hand quick. I have a worst case risk of 45 points. I always have hard stops in. Literally every single trade I take, I will have hard stops in. It's just non-negotiable. Ideally, I'll end up stopping this trade around 30 points, around 85, give or take, with this previous resistance here. But worst case, I got hard stops up here. So from this 55 area, we see a move all the way down from 55 all the way down to 880. My first price target, my main price target, was this low a day at 897. We flush that, and I get stopped out in the rest on the move back up. Now, what is the takeaway from yesterday's trade? The takeaway from yesterday's trade, or any trades that you see me take that win, is that I stay patient for my entries. I could have lost both these trades. I could have went over two. I have the ability, we have the ability as traders to do great damage to ourselves each and every day. Every day we have the capability to do immense damage to ourselves in our trading account every day. It's our job to manage risk. It's our job to have a statistical edge in each trade that we take. It's your job, yep, Kyle, to avoid the chop. Wait for A+ setups. We don't get an A+ setup on every candle. We get multiple A+ setups each and every day. Hope that helps. It's because... It's Dumpster Thursday. Market is opening. No, I hid. It's crazy because if you're not patient, you're not making money. That's facts. I smell profits. Ooh. I smell some profits too, my friends. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Day, you want me to get you a 30-minute workday? Need me to get you a 30-minute workday? Who needs a 30-minute workday? If enough of you need it, maybe I'll call grandma. And guess what? Guess what, too? Grandma's actually coming to town today. So we're going to have the same situation we had with the first grandma trade where she's in the other room. And we know, you know exactly how that goes. You like 2 hours of my voice? You want me to sit here and sing to you? It's a good market. I love the NASDAQ. Love trading. Futures and options too. He's a good trader. Crazy about risk. Loves Charles Schwab and Tradevate too. What do you think? Free falling or a Jdun's NASDAQ falling? You don't get singing every day. It's a luxury around here. Let's see what Tesla's doing this morning. Let's see what Tesla. We actually missed a decent setup yesterday on Tesla. I was looking at it when we started cranking up here, specifically on the 1 minute chart. We had this aggressive impulse candle here, and it takes much more skill set to trade the 1 minute chart versus like the 5 minute, right? It takes a lot of experience. We had this 1 minute impulse candle above this previous resistance. We made this higher low in here, so you would have to keep stops as we moved up here and made this higher low here. Keep stops above or below this 434. Enter likely in here, $1 or so of risk, and look for that target of high a day, which we ended up getting. Tom Petty, is that you? Yes, it is actually me. It is for sure me. Hey, each of y'all better have gotten your Tradeify accounts. If you're trading futures, right now Tradeify is 40% off using code Jdun. And if you buy an account, you can buy the cheapest account possible. I think the cheapest one they have is like $40. If you buy one of their evals, that will get you free registration for the cup. For the Grand Cup, where they're giving away $1 million in cash prizes. Not $1 million in eval prices. Like, we're giving away $1 million in funding, but like it's not actually that. Like, they're giving away $1 million in cash. That's baller. I like the straight to funded accounts. If you have trouble passing evals, go get yourself a straight to funded account. Get consistent base hits. If you went, yep, make sure when you guys sign up, when you do sign up for the cup, use ambassador code TB so you sign up with Team Bull. So you rock DOD, discipline over dopamine. My cat blew an account, went to eat, came back, and it was gone. You wouldn't believe, back when I used to own a prop firm, we used to see the craziest shit. Jorge, welcome to the stream, but I'm unfortunately, that is not the truth. Tradeify, Apex, Alpha Futures, and FFF. Those are my 4 goats. Those are my goats. But no prop firm's going to work for you if you can't manage your risk. No matter what firm you're trading with, you got to choose DOD. If you don't choose DOD, it's going to be a long journey for you, my friend. Well, actually, I don't agree with that, Grateful. Because a lot of times with evals, people just play around with them. Like if you're on a straight to funded account, I've seen a lot of traders that take it more seriously. They manage their risk better instead of just consistently blowing eval after eval. I think that argument more stands like when you're trying to pass one eval and so you're like, oh, I can't pass one, so I'm going to go copy trade 5. Then it's like, all right, well, you probably shouldn't do that. Probably should not do that. Aren't you just an adorable little trader? I mean, well, I do appreciate you calling me adorable. But I'm not little, my friend. I'm like 6'7", my boy. 225 pounds. I should have been in the league, my boy. I'm glad you think I'm adorable. Thank you. Don't make me bring out the shirtless pic. How do you get straight to funded? I put it's in the pinned comment, or you can click on the description in the YouTube, and all my partnerships are down there. The prop firm I got a $50,000 payout from last week is Apex. You can trade up to 20 accounts at a time. Alpha Futures is like the new Top Step. You can use code Jdun there. I actually think it's back to 10%. Then Tradeify is the third one down. All right, we got 4 minutes, y'all. Hey, these guys come in and tell me I'm little and adorable. I got to let them know. I just got to remind you, I'm 6'7", 225 pounds. Hey, if anyone forgot, I'm 6'7", 225 pounds, just so you're aware. Can I say it again? Okay. Here's the deal. Let's see here. Guys, I'm 79 inches tall and 225 pounds. I don't know what that equals to in kilograms, but you get the math. I'm sure you can chat GPT it and find out. My dad was tall as hell. My dad was like 6'10". He played college basketball at Nebraska, and he also played college. You never heard this combo. He played college soccer at Arizona. My mom's tall too. My mom's 5'9". Yeah, come on, before we get started, let's get these likes up, YouTube. We got 44 likes and we got 400 people in here. That ratio is backwards. Choose Team DOD. If you're part of Team DOD, discipline over dopamine, hit that like button. Let's get the good vibes rolling. Let's get 100 plus likes and let's get the money moving, baby. Come on now. If you're on TikTok as well, tap in, hit that screen over and over. Let's get them likes moving. I appreciate you guys hitting like on this YouTube video. Make sure you guys all have your notifications on too. If you guys click by my name, there's a little bell icon. You click that and press all. I go live 30 minutes early almost every single day. I also will go live occasionally going forward for Asia. Not every day, but occasionally. And sometimes I just like to come on and chart. So you guys don't want to miss any lives. You could be missing free money, free value. Make sure you guys have your notifications on for the channel. The Project X is all right. It's cool. My top step accounts have kind of been stagnant. It's just harder with when you take that full payout. I mean, I agree with that, but I've gotten $15,000 in payouts in like 3 weeks from them. But it's also a little tougher when you're trying to be smart with your buffer. Oh, you can't talk? Whoops. Sorry, bro. We got 1 minute till open, guys. Choose discipline over dopamine. Let's get it. What's up, bro? They gave you your longs, just had to stop you out a few times yesterday.
Yes.
Yeah, that's frustrating, bro. Sorry. Today's a new day.
Today's a new day. The idea was right. Today, I think we'll be shorts. We're at tricky levels right now.
Oh, I sure hope so, my boy.
057, 044. Main Q is between these two guys. To be honest, I think they're gonna be opening straight down. I don't like that. Because I would prefer go up about 057, grab some liquidity and then go down. I hope. But if they do the shot now, it's too tricky to enter.
All right, guys, market's open. Let's choose discipline over dopamine, y'all. Trade smart, trade safe today, and stay focused. Team Bull style.
057, 044 is quite high.
Choose discipline over dopamine, Team Bull style today, my friends. There's Mr. Gene. I heard his loud music pulling up, and he's almost on time. He's getting better. Slowly getting better. This is your daily reminder, guys. I typically do not trade the first 15 minutes. I stay very patient. I wait for my A+ setups, and when they come, I will execute. Win or lose, I'm always managing my risk. That's what I care about. Yesterday, the big trade took us. How long did the big trade take us yesterday? We got the big trade about 2 hours in. We got the nearly mega trade. What's up, Gene?
Hello, my friend.
Good morning, my bro. Good morning, my favorite Asian session trader. Gene loves trading him some Asia. PSLs are on Fridays for him. You can't see the Jared Tendler education area. Oh, maybe I need to. I bet I need to. Yep, I need to add the lifetime members role. That's my bad. That's my boy. Sorry, I can be a little slow sometimes. That's what happens when you're full-time trading and have a 2-year-old and stuff. Bear with me. The kid's getting huge, though. Now you should be able to see it, Mr. Kuka Balanza. Not sure where Grizzly Glock's at. He's hiding from us. Mr. Grizzly, we swept 100. All right, let's see if we end up sweeping this data, or not data high, excuse me, this see if I end up sweeping this pre-market high and moving up. If we go to our hourly chart here, this was yesterday's high area, so I think we're gonna have a tough time getting above this. If we can build a base on the hourly above this, I'll look for potentially some more upside here, but I'm gonna need a lot of confirmation for it. So again, I'm gonna be just as patient as I was yesterday. I know that bothers some of y'all, but guess what? In the most respectful, loving, caring, insightful way, I don't care. I want to see y'all choose DOD. Good morning, bro.
Good morning.
Good morning, kind sir.
Good morning, my Brad. What's going on?
Good, just hanging.
Chilling? You full port anything?
Yeah, I'm full ported in shorts. Kidding, I'm not. That was a joke. That was a joke. That was a joke. How's everyone doing this morning in chat, Team Bull? Where y'all checking in from? Curious, Team Bull. Where's everyone typing in from today? Oahu? Oh, Hawaii. Damn, bro. You're up at like 4 in the morning. Toronto, Atlanta, Dallas, Monument, Colorado. Love Monument up down south. I think you can do the incline again in the springs. Elizabeth, Colorado, Wyoming, Louisville, Kentucky, New York City, France, Francais, si, Francais, New York, Texas, Cambodia, Melbourne, Frisco, India, Calgary, Jersey, Arizona, Ireland, Maryland. Wow. South Africa. I had a boy that went to North Korea. Tell Kim I said, what's up? Tell Kim he's got to relax, and he needs to just come catch some vibes with TBT, with Team Bull Trading. Nice. We got a lot of people, a lot of different places near Vegas. I always mark it after 0-0. So after midnight. We got a series of higher lows this morning, too. We could see an uptrend today. It's possible. It's possible. I'm not saying it's for sure, but it definitely is possible. Oh, Grizzly's here. What's up, my boy? I go live every single day, guys. All I ask is if you're new here is you come in, you hit that follow button if you're on TikTok. If you like full screen, I'm on YouTube as well. We got a great YouTube channel. We're growing every single day, guys. We're growing this community every single day. Make sure you guys have your notifications on. I've been live for what?
Allow me to rename myself. We have the same name for some reason. I guess we're logged into the same Zoom. Rename me.
I got your name, my boy. Yeah, appreciate y'all being here. Hitting that subscribe button, hitting that like button on the YouTube. We're at 140. Let's get to 200 likes before our first trade. Before our first trade, let's go. And while we're waiting too, how many of y'all have been doing your homework watching the free course that I made for you? How many of y'all have tapped in and watched the free course below in the description? I gave y'all homework. Team Bull promo is over. It's not coming back for a bit. But you can hang out here. On day 2. Nice. Yup. And if you have not watched the free course, you can see everyone getting value. Please dedicate 1 hour a day for the next few days to watching it. So much positive feedback. If you're looking to trade with more discipline, if you're tired of breaking your rules, if you're tired of guessing in your trades, if you're tired of losing money consistently, if you want to see the exact strategy that got me my $50,000 payout from Apex, it's all in there. It's on my YouTube, Jdun Trades, right in this channel. I got you, Tyler. Buy his subscription to fund his lifestyle. Interesting. I don't recall you paying a subscription to watch this live stream. Must be new to me. I'm not getting that money. Someone is. It's not me. Maybe it's Jdun __ 123 trades. All right, guys. Let's wait for price to settle a little bit. I am watching some individual names as well. And Amazon's pumping. Amazon's getting the aggressive candle too. We can watch that maybe. What's pre-market high? 216. Mixed with VWAP there. AMD, little pump, then back to normal. AMD's been a sip lately. It's been stock and play. Little risk off today after yesterday's W. That's respectable.
And I missed my MU. I was watching MU for short. And it confirmed off the first 5-minute candle.
I'm going to watch Tesla today too. What are you watching today, Mr. Gene?
I don't know. Kind of in an odd area.
Not sure yet.
Honestly, maybe pull back to 25,000 flat. That's good.
Pull back to 25,000. I like it. All right, we're 10 minutes in, y'all. That. All right, let's see here. Just waiting, guys. Technically speaking, this Amazon actually doesn't look bad either for a pullback. If you're trading individuals at like 216.5 area.
Getting ready with the shorts. I haven't entered yet. Watching price action.
Greg's watching the shorts. Mr. Greg watching the shorts. Thoughts on Wolf? No thoughts. I played the 5th. I don't know right now. Want to come say hi to everyone, Gene? I really gotta pee like a racehorse. I'll be back. Too much coffee.
What's up? What is the market doing? Oh, shoot. What did I do? Sorry. There we go. Almost messed it up, guys. There we go. It was good. Yes, sir. Connor with those shorts. He's a beast. De Niro trades. De Niro trades.
Mr. Jdun trades?
Nothing.
Anyone take any trades?
Last night?
No, like right now.
Oh, no.
Did I miss any trades? Hey, Gene caught another winner in Asia. Gene is trading Asia session live 4 days a week. Most weeks. Some will depend, obviously. Some might be less. Some might be every day. But Gene caught another winner yesterday in Asia. Inside Team Bowl and in our stages. Like 20, 25 points. So if you trade Asia session, make sure you are tapping in with our boy, Mr. Gene. Gene trades in stages for Asia for 6 p.m. Eastern time. Damn, for once we don't have an 100-point orb. Wow. That feels like a first for the first time in a long time. Feels like a rare commodity. We do have more room. So if we get a close above both these levels, we can look for a long entry if we get aggressive, if we get strength above this. Let's see what our midline is too. Let's mark that out. Technically speaking, if we want a little higher risk long entry too, we can look for a pullback to the midline with stops below the trend setting candle. That's an option. It's not my favorite option, but it is technically an option. We have higher volume, full body candle. If we get a pullback down to like 70s, I'm willing to look for a long and it's gone. Yep. Or if we get a close above here, I'm willing to look with a stop below the potential trend setting candle. So we'll see. Choosing patience. Is it just me? This might just be me. Maybe I'm tripping. Does anyone else feel like a little anxiety when they enter longs these days with the thought that like there could just be a Trump tweet at any moment that just decimates their position? I swear I'm like all nervous to go long these days. So the moment I go long, I'm like, Trump might say some shit and it just dies. Like, what am I supposed to do about that? Literally every time I go long, I'm like, oh shit, here we go. Like, yeah, Trump gonna start talking about cooking oil and the market's gonna die. What's up, Benji? Southwest Bear Valley area. Let's go. Damn, I got a deer outside my house. Grizzly, don't get any ideas. Don't get any ideas. All right, let's see what we get here. I don't love that we're sweeping these highs now. Let me go ahead and mark out my SPY levels too. All the life I spent on you. All right, SPY and NASDAQ are both marked out. No trades yet for me. Just staying patient. One thing you must understand about me too is I don't trade. I mean, I trade most days, but I don't feel obligated to trade every day. I would personally rather wait for high probability setups. All right, let's see what we get down here. This is not a great candle to long. Not a great candle to long. I'm looking for the longs. Got that test to 60, but it's just not a great candle to long after sweeping those highs. I don't like sweeping 2 key nonetheless 2 key levels like that and then moving back down. We could see a higher low here in the bounce here, but I'm personally not going to participate, guys. So I could miss it, but I'm okay with that because it doesn't directly go with my system. I don't like how we swept these highs aggressively and then move down. So I'm personally going to sit this one out. Jdun, I have it as a post-it note on my PC with your quote. If it ain't a hell yes, it's a hell no. That is right. I haven't said that in a while, but that is facts. If it's not a hell yes, it's a hell no. There's actually a different word that I use to make that quote, but if it ain't a freak yes, it's a freak no.
Watching price action at this level. 057.
What's the higher? 120. So that would bring us about 80 to 90. If we get this closed down here with higher volume, sweep this high, I'm open to looking for a move into this area for shorts and a continuation down. If we just chop in here, then I will not participate. Greg's in the shorts.
Entry 46. 046.
Entry 046. I actually like the shorts too. I just want to see a bit more pop up.
Screaming here, guys. Stop loss up right here.
Nice job, my boy.
Thank you.
We actually have a lot more room to the downside too.
Stop loss up right here. Stop out. Stop out right here.
Greg stopped his shorts, break even, everybody. You got that one trim off. I'm still waiting. I like shorts if we get a pop into the zone up here. In here. Jdun, you're teaching us to trade and how to be patient. That's what it's about. It's all about choosing DOD as your system, discipline over dopamine. I don't care if you trade ICT. You know how I feel about that. SMC, VPA, but none of your systems will work if you don't have discipline, right? Appreciate all y'all being here as well on the YouTube. We're growing 800 plus people consistently now, guys. Make sure you guys have your notifications on. Click that little bell icon. I've been live for almost an hour now, 45 minutes. So I've been going live pre-market, getting you guys ready with your mindset, getting you guys mentally prepared for the day. Appreciate y'all liking the live, hitting that subscribe button, and making it a part of your daily routine. It means the world to me. If you're on the TikTok as well, you can come on over to YouTube. You have full screen share. As a reminder, too, make sure y'all get registered for the Tradeify Cup. If you buy a single Tradeify account, they're as cheap as $40. You guys can get registered for the Cup and use your ambassador code TB. Who's all going to be repping TB in the Cup? Who wants that shot to get flown to Colorado, win $200,000, and get to rip my Lambo for a day? Hang out with your boy. Who's all repping TB? I better see each and every one of you guys in the Tradeify competition. Yup. You can use code JDUN for 40% off. And then once you're on your Tradeify dashboard, you'll see where to register for the cup, and you use your ambassador code of TB to sign up with Team Bull.
I'm just gonna be patient here. I'm not gonna take a trade inside outside of this.
All right. So after 2 winning trades yesterday, winning trades all week. How would I, if I find you a winning trade, then I can promote? Is that fair?
I think the technical success, so,
Come on.
or as the early morning sessions going.
See, we're bouncing off that midline. I'm tempted to try shorts, but it's just a little early.
Long wick at the top makes me think we're gonna go back up and retest that area.
Yeah, I honestly do want to try shorts. Just a little early for me.
I could see you trying up around like 80, 25,080 area.
I will not get chopped up in this zone right here. Yeah, if we get to like 85 to 95, I actually like that a lot with shorts for like with stops above high a day. Because then you'd know if we got to the zone up here, if we short and we just keep moving up, your worst case scenario is a stop above 125. And if we get a nice close, if we get not nice, but if we get a close above these key levels in the 5 minute, you just stop it early for a smaller loss. So that's what I'm personally watching for right now. Yep, I announced the trades that I take. Yep, me and my team do. Guys, I'm sorry. I will never promote code Jdun again. Ever. Ever. I'm just going to scream discipline over dopamine at you every single day over and over. I'm just going to scream DOD. DOD, 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 DOD. Little higher, guys. Not quite high enough for me to short yet. I do like the fact for our shorts that we had lower volume on this candle up. I'm still open to trying it if we move up into this area right here. Because there's solid risk reward, 95, that gives us 30 points of risk. So if I take that trade and I lose, that will be, I'll probably take a full-size loss 0 for 1 on the day if that ends up coming to fruition. Now, if we get some massive candle up here that closes strong with higher volume, that kind of changes things a little bit. What do you think, Grizzly Glock? You got anything on watch?
Not until we get out of this 15-minute range. I'm not risking it again. This week's been a little tough for me.
I'm watching. I'm not in yet. Not in yet. Not in yet. Try a small piece of shorts, guys. If we end up closing a 5 minute above 100, I'll get out for a loss. I did try the shorts.
That's a nice entry.
See if we can move down. Come on. Move down. Move down. Die. Die, baby. Go. Let's go. Yo, let's go. We're at 1-1 right now, guys. I'm going to take a little bit off here. Sniper entry, baby. Let's go. All right, guys. Let's get low day out of this mother effer. Come on. Literally 40 points so far almost. I've trimmed, putting the rest to break even. Let's go. Yo. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Let's put our stops at break even now. Stops at break even. Let's get low a day out of this, baby. Come on. 40 points literally immediately. 30, 40 points immediately. Stops are at break even. Let's get this puppy to move to low a day for us. We got a great entry. Let's get paid for that entry and let's let it move down. Come on. Come on. Yo, that was absolute money bag entry. If we keep going down, if we keep moving down, that's going to be an absolute money bag entry. And even if we go back and stop at break even, this is exactly what I wanted to see. exactly what I wanted to see. So stops are break even. It's a free trade now. Let's just let it work for us and see if we can get paid for it. Come on. Let's keep moving down, y'all. Let's get some more out of this puppy. Let's go. Yo. This is exactly what I wanted to see, my friends. This is exactly what I wanted to see. Now, I'd like to see us go lower if we can close this below the 50% retracement and go lower. But either way, I'm honestly happy with how this went. We got over a 1-to-1. Hard stops are in at break even. Hard stops are in at break even, everybody. Nope, wrong way. Told you guys the 85 to 95 area was it. Come on. Other way. Wrong way. Wrong way. Wrong way. Other way. Let's make this the lower high. Come on. I really was hoping I could get more of that for y'all. Come on. Let's go. Down. Come on. Down. Down. Downwards dog. Yoga time, baby. Downwards dog. Let's go. Downward dog. Downward dog. Let's go. Come on. No, not upwards dog. Wrong. Wrong way. Don't you dare edge me, NQ. It's not the time and place for that. It's not past 6 p.m. Come on. All right, come on. My hard stops are at 87, guys. I'm going to put them right at this candle. Come on. Let's get low a day out of this puppy. We're stuck in this 15-minute range. Y'all are ridiculous. Let's get low a day out of this. Let's get low a day out of this puppy. Come on. We want more. We want more. Yo, quick vibe check. Did anyone take that trade and make some money with me at all? While we're letting this play out, our hard stops are in. Any of y'all take that and make some money? Let me know, chat. Give me a yes. Or give me a number. What y'all make? What are we sitting at? Did any of y'all take that and make some money? Who took that trade and made some money with me? Lots of yeses coming in. 180, 750, 400, 500, 180, 220, 500, 500, 200. Bing bong. 789, 155, 765, 800. Let's go. Whole squad moving. We won't lower, though. We won't lower. A lot of money. 1,500, 840. We won't lower. I won't lower out of this, guys. I won't lower. I mean, 1-to-1's cool, but 1.5 to 1 is great. 2 to 1 is fantastic. And 3 to 1, my shirt's coming off. So that's where we're sitting at currently. Uh, 89. 89. I wanted that top tick at 95, but didn't get it. I got a decent fill, but 85 to 95 was the zone. I'm telling you, I just love what I do. This doesn't even feel like work to me. I just love coming in and grinding with y'all every day. I want to see lower out of this. I'd really like for us to break down this 40 or this 47.50 area. I mean, we got blessed with that initial move down, but I'd like to see more continuation. It looks decent. We're just price is having a tough time in this area. Now, again, while we're waiting, why did we want this entry up here? Because we could visualize our risk. We had an aggressive trend-setting candle that set the tone, set the trend. We test into that candle. We take the shorts. We have our worst-case scenario set, and then we do our best to ride the trend, which we're currently trying to do right now. Come on. Drop it low, girl. Drop it low, girl. Come on. Let's go. No more trims yet for me, guys. We get to low a day, I'll take another trim. But manage how you see fit. We're at the 15-minute low. We could see support here. Manage how you see fit, guys. Don't scream at me if we go back to break even. I think we can get more out of this. I think we can get an aggressive move to low a day. I want one at least. Nearly 50 points so far. Come on. Go down. No, not up. Not up. It's a free trade for me, guys. It's a free trade. Stop, start, break even. Tell every single day, I got your back, my friends. I got you. All I ask is you tap in, hit that follow button. If you want good trades, good education, discipline over dopamine, and good vibes every day, you hit that follow button. Or if you're on YouTube, you hit that subscribe button. Make it a part of your daily routine. If I made you money, put those notifications on. Come on, that's a good ask. That's a fair ask. If you saw others make money, turn those notifications on. If you're trading with prop firms, make sure you use code Jdun for best discounts. Right now, Tradeify is 40% off and Apex is 80% off using code Jdun. Apex is who gave me the $50,000 payout. Tradeify has straight to funded accounts. You don't have to take an eval. You said I could promote if I caught you a winning trade. I don't want to hear no shit talking. That was our deal. I catch you a winner. I get to promote. I'm just playing with you. It's going to go up and stop me out, huh? Well, I'm happy with how that went. Guys, I got stopped out here. 87. It just wicked my stop. We might keep moving down, but I'm happy with what I got out of that trade. I'm happy with it. I'm happy with my trade. We may end up seeing a lower high in here and moving down, but I'm not going to risk going back and giving back any gains. Make me alive. Make me alive. Let's freaking go. Do you look for a second entry? No, Jdun, you don't. You stay happy with what you got.
Open price action to see if shorts are valid. My levels 57 and 044 close. Are the levels I'm looking.
Still looks like these shorts want to go.
Okay, coming down 044. Let's see what happens here. I hope it's not too late. The pattern is there, you know, the low shorts in the 4-hour time frame. They're holding it. They're holding it with these two levels, 44 and 57. The pattern is there, massive down.
Greg wants massive dump.
What they're gonna do it along sleep.
For you.
Playing 044, guys. Let's see.
I'm watching this closely still. We're still in this 15-minute range. That was a beautiful top tick entry, though. I wish we would have gotten some more continuation out of it. If you still like the shorts, if you have a little more risk tolerance, you can keep stops above like 90-ish area. And if we can break out of this down or this support down here, we should see a nice move down. We still got London low. We got pre-market low way, way, way down here. So we still got room.
This level 044 strong.
We've seen the market to cooperate. Cooperation. Anything you like, Gene? Barcoding. Good thing we're programmers here, baby. We're market programmers.
Watching, guys. Watching. Maybe the entry is coming.
We're the Team Bull Wranglers. The Yeehawers. Happy with the trade we got so far. As a reminder, TikTok, I'm also live on YouTube as well. Everyone on YouTube, I appreciate you being here. Welcome in. If you are not on the YouTube, you can type in Jdun Trades and come tap in and get full screen share. I also appreciate you guys tapping in, hitting that follow button in the top left corner, making this a part of your daily routine. And choosing discipline over dopamine each and every day. Guys, right now, Tradeify is 40% off too. If you're looking for one of the best prop firms with the fastest payouts, that's Tradeify's huge edge. Their payouts are lightning fast. You can get straight to funded or evals. I'm going to post the link in chat right now, guys. Go get yourself at least one account. Use code JDUN for 40% off and get yourself registered for the Grand Cup, over $1 million in cash prizes. Use code JDUN. Go get yourself signed up for an eval or a straight to funded account. If I've helped you, if you appreciate DOD, if I'm helping you be more patient in your trading, show your boy some love. Show Team Bull some love and support.
Okay, guys. Testing in Q shorts, okay? In Q shorts. Entry 4.
You're going to get a good move.
Stop loss is 6.3.
Let it die. Let it die. If you get a move below 27, you should see a really nice day.
Come on. The battery is in. Come on. Shoot up.
You want to watch anything, T-Bull?
Greg's in the shorts. I caught a banger on shorts. We're vibing.
Asia high. He's bouncing.
Come on, baby. Come on. 3 minutes on here.
Nice job, my boy.
Thank you. Stop loss slightly in profit. The battery is there, guys. The battery is there. You should get a strong move down. If they want to hold it after 11.
Nice job, my boy.
Thank you.
Let's go. Well, Team Bull has been on a tear. Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
The run stop out and profit.
I thought I heard a doorbell too. That wasn't our doorbell, was it, Gene?
Run stop out and profit.
What?
Let's see if I can re-enter again.
I don't.
Who make money with each with that trade?
What
Eval.
Atta boy Gene. Atta boy Greg. Just used code Jdun on Apex last night. Let's go. Yep.
Okay, now we're rejecting for 4. We're bouncing for 1 hour almost.
If you're looking to trade with Apex,
Now we're rejecting it.
you can still get 80% off using code Jdun. That's who paid me $50,000.
Take it, guys. Thank you, shorts. I mean, shorts.
Greg in the shorts again.
Entry 26026.
Hello? Hello?
Stop losses at 47. 2 green trades.
Who's this? Who are you calling with?
Sorry, man.
Nope. Goodbye. Tyler, I'm trying to help your money line, my boy. Hey, you promised me. You said if I catch y'all winning trade, make y'all money. I could do some promoting. Do this every day for y'all. Win, lose, or draw, though. We don't lose very much.
Stop out. That's it, guys. I'm done for today. 2 green trades, 1 red trade. I'm done.
You out of here, bro?
Yeah, I'm gonna stay green. I will stay green for today. Maybe it's gonna dump now. Here you go.
The trick-or-treaters. Who remembers what I've done for a few years on Halloween? Giving out bowls of I had bowls of hundos. Should we do that again this year? I'm not doing it at my house again this year though. I literally had kids coming up for weeks after to my house. They're like, hey, are you the money guy? I'm like, no, someone else. Full size candy bars and $100 bills at the Team Bull HQ. Oh my gosh. Y'all literally crack me up. For real. I'm actually going to probably... Well, it's been 45 minutes. So I'm going to stick around for... Yo, Gene. Will you de-thaw some ground beef with the heart and the liver? The mix when you get a second? Yes, I'm having ground beef, heart, and liver for lunch. And no, I don't want to hear a single one of you talking tea. Yeah, it's in the freezer. I get a mix of it's grass-fed and finished ground beef, heart, and liver all mixed. It's like a mix up. Put a little salt on that. Oof. I get it at Sprouts. It's from like Ancestral Kitchen or something like that. Don't knock the liver and heart till you try it and how good you feel after it. You want to get the suns out, guns out. Got to get the liver, baby. That's what I feed my dog. It brings that dog out in me too. Ruff, ruff. Brings that dog out in me. No Liver King here. I'm not jacked enough to be on roids. If I was on roids, I'd tell you. No roids for your boy. Honestly, I would never want to be that jacked, honestly. I'll never bodybuild. I mean, all due respect to the bodybuilders in here. That's your deal, but it's just not for me. Yep, that's the one. Am I getting into another trade? I mean, there's a chance. I made good off that first trade. I made real good off that first trade. But, I mean, I guess there is a shot. We'll see what price gives us. Small guys always say that. What is it with you guys and calling me small? I mean, I'm just simply not. And if I was, then all the I love my short, my tall, my medium, my large friends. Just saying, I just even if I wanted to be, I can't. I'm 79 inches tall and 225 pounds. Come on, without stilts. I'm a big boy. Come to Papa. Catching y'all winning trades. Doing my absolute best every day. Oh, gosh. We have fun in here, guys. Trading doesn't have to be lonely. Trading does not have to be lonely when you're trading with Team Bull. Do my best to keep you guys disciplined every day. We trade systematic. All jokes aside, we trade systematically. We trade smart. We trade safe. We stay focused. Better see everyone that has a Tradeify account. If you've ever had one, you guys better be registered for the cup. You can use ambassador code TB to register with Team Bull. If you win, the top 3 prizes get like 200K cash, 120K cash, and like 80K cash. In addition, if you get in the top 10, I will bring you out and let you rip the Lambo and track day the Lambo. So if you have a Tradeify account, go to your dashboard and just make sure you register for the cup and use TB. It's not a discount code, it's an ambassador code for our tournament. If you need a Tradeify account, you can click on the pinned comment on YouTube or down in the description where it says skip the eval, get funded with Tradeify and get 40% off. I do have venison, yup. No, it's not. TB is not a discount code, guys. It's a ambassador code for the tournament. Jdun is my Tradeify code. That's my discount code, but TB is for the tournament. It's just to register with you with Team Bull for the tournament. So your stats track towards Team Bull. If Team Bull wins, I think we get like a $5,000 bonus, and I swear to God, I will give every single cent of that away. If Team Bull wins the tournament, you can mark this down, record it. It's on my live stream. If Team Bull wins the Tradeify tournament, I will give away $20,000 to you guys in cash. I will give away $20,000 to our Discord as a whole. I don't know how that works. I don't know who gets it. 20 racks. Use the ambassador code TB. It's not a discount code. You just have to have a Tradeify account. Interesting close there. We had to close below the 50%. We're moving back up. Honestly, I'm happy we got that nice trade from those highs, but this has been a really choppy day. Like, we got blessed with that reaction to our entry. Yep, the Honda too. You got that on recording. Spicy longs. We could. It's only been an hour. You put the heart and the liver and the dethaler gene? Or the blend? Yeah. All right. Thank you. Thank you, kind sir.
The only level I like so far for the jet is 160, guys. 25160. You get there, price action is good, maybe I'm gonna take another account. I'm gonna take that trade maybe. Set to price action. 25160. It's 4 down for our level.
Let's go, Jdun, my boy. Just got my second payout from Apex approved for $2,000. I could cry seeing this unfold. Let's go. Telling y'all, use code Jdun. Trade smart, trade safe, follow the rules. You get paid. Congrats, Redo. Another one of our traders gets a payout from Apex. We've had so many traders getting funded and getting paid out. Code Jdun gets you that payout protection. Thank you for this community. Thank you for being here. Are you entry? No, I'm not entry. My name is Jacob. I'm messing with you. No, I'm not. I'm not entering. I'm not entering anything right now. I'm just messing with you. I'm just messing. We like to have fun. We have fun with each other. It's only been an hour. How crazy is that? Yep, another one of our traders. Not best. If you don't follow the rules, you're not getting paid. But you follow the rules and your payout gets jammed up, you bet your butt I'm going to reach out to their management and say, what's going on, and escalate your ticket. That's for any prop firm. It's because we have a massive, massive community here that I always got your back on. Don't. Having a great month. Shooting for 100K plus this month trading. We're on the right path. Between payouts and live. I think a massive dump is coming.
I
Think so?
Yeah, that's a lot of power and the pattern is there.
That 1 minute chart, candle's aggressive. I could see it.
We went back to this 4-4 level. We just need to break it.
You want to trade?
Nope.
No.
We're just chilling.
I haven't seen anything I like this morning. Just chopping back and forth. I hope people are not chasing the breakout, because they have been horrible. We're gonna close above previous day high. I'm gonna retest of that pre-market high. I'll consider longs.
this level, 4-4. Jeez. Anyone took any bounce on that level for pre-scalp?
Oh,
Yeah, we got blessed with how that initial position moved. Otherwise, it's been a choppy day. And a little choppy. A little choppy. I'm just chilling. I'm always chilling. I'm always just vibing. I love my line of work. Feels like I never work. I just literally vibe at all times. Get to come in and hit trades. Get paid by clicking buttons. Nine years of experience in the making, but very thankful that I never gave up during the hard times. I always tell people you're supposed to feel frustrated. You know, someone weak mother ever would have folded by now. Lots of people fold in this game, but not you. You're focused. You're disciplined. You're consistent. And you stay the path of those things, you're going to be in a good spot. You're supposed to feel frustrated, guys. It's part of the process. Longs actually are looking decent in here, but I'm likely going to be done for the day. Biggest eye-opening moment before being profitable? I think that my inability to follow my own rules was what was holding me back. That's why I stress discipline over dopamine so much to you guys. Because a lot of times it's not your strategy. It's that you continue to blow yourself up over and over and over. If you can simply just not blow yourself up and stick to a path of discipline, you'll more than likely be in a much better spot as a trader. That's what you must understand. Appreciate having you, Jay Gotti. Yep, I tell you guys, DOD every single day. If you guys haven't watched it yet, I highly recommend you go watch the recording of Jared Tendler from yesterday. We pay good money to have him in here twice a month. He is a very well-known author and trading psychology coach. The mental game of trading. He's worked with very high-performing traders with hedge funds and proprietary firms. We get him in Team Bowl twice a month exclusively for our team. So that's something you guys need to take advantage of if you're consistent and if you're disciplined and if you really are focused on becoming that profitable trader you want to be in 2026. Something I need you guys to be taking advantage of. Mental Game of Trading by Jared Tendler. Great book. As a reminder too, guys, Alpha Futures is very similar to Top Step. So if you guys are looking for, if you're trading with Top Step, if you like Top Step, you're going to love Alpha Futures. You can use code Jdun for best possible discounts. You can trade up to 3 accounts at a time. Get funded with Alpha. I'll put it in the chat. If you like Top Step, you'll love Alpha Futures. And you also get higher payout caps. Instead of $5,000 an account, you get $15,000 account. I put the link in YouTube chat. You can also find it in the description below. Alpha over Apex, it depends on what you're trying to do. For beginners, yes, but for what's it called? For anyone who's trying to scale, then I still like Apex. personally. ApexTraderFunding.com. Use code Jdun. Yep, you're welcome, James. I got you, bro. Oh, boy. It's been an hour so far. How y'all doing, Team Bull?
Which price action to see if I can take the shots. Maybe for shots.
We are up over 2 racks on the day. Again. Another day of plus some progress in the fundeds, but I don't count that as P&L until you get paid out. So yes. Making moves. It's look like we want to stay strong too. As a reminder, TikTok, if you're new here, appreciate the follows, Abraham, Mark, Rihanna. I trade live every single day. If you're looking to get started day trading, or if you're an existing trader and you want to trade better, join me live here every day. Make sure you hit that follow button in the top left corner and make it a part of your daily routine to come trade live with me. I do it every single day for free. And you ask around, I'm pretty damn good at what I do. I'm not going to sit here and shove get rich quick down your throat. I'm not going to sit here and shove a million trades down your throat. I take 1 to 2 good trades a day. I maintain a very high win rate, and I do my best to educate you so you don't need me anymore. My goal for you is to trade smart, trade safe, and become so good and confident at trading that you don't need me or Team Bull anymore. I hope that you still come around and hang out for the vibes, but my ultimate goal for you is to be a disciplined trader and a disciplined person and live a better life and fulfill your life goals and dreams and get your freedom through trading. That's my goal for y'all. So if you're into that, hit that follow button, hit that subscribe button if you're on YouTube. Join me every single day. What is the best plan for alpha? I like their advanced plans because there's no consistency rule in funded. Here's the sign up link. You can buy up to 3 accounts at a time. Use code Jdun for best discounts. If you like Top Step, you'll love Alpha Futures. They have Tradeovate and they have Project X. Now, what do I always tell y'all about props? I don't want you trading them forever. I appreciate y'all supporting, but I don't want you guys using them forever. I want you guys using them. Appreciate you, Alexander, using them, getting experience, following the rules, getting paid out, and moving your money to a live account. Let's see if we get this close above here. Yep. Each day, Zach. As a reminder to everyone in Team Bull, we will have Gene on. We will have Gene on for Asia session again today in stages. It's right below the admin trading floor. Holy, what a pump up. So now, if we get this strong candle above here, we can look for a move back down into here for a retest if we close this strong with higher volume, which it looks like we will, for a longs entry. If we end up breaking this down, then you know you have the wrong side. But if we tried 100 to keep stops below 80, It's actually a decent setup right there. We'll see what we get. We'll see what it gives us.
Which one did you say? 180?
What's up?
Which number did you say?
Oh, 100. So 25,100 for a pullback here for longs. Done for the day. Love this group. I love you too.
My plan is I'm watching 160. Possible rejection.
Let's see how we close this candle. A lot of it might be wick, so. Be sure. Oh, baby. Is that water still on, Gene? Yep. Can you turn the water off, por favor? Thank you, man. When did you start going to the gym? Years ago. I was tired of looking how I did. Higher volume. That's a tough candle to long with that aggressive wick. Can still watch her pull back down lower, I guess. I can probably get 315 for one on bench. I mean, it'd be tough. I probably won't do it. I've done it before. Do I go to the gym? Do I go to the gym? Have you not seen the 3-day masterclass with the shirtless picture, bro? If you don't want to learn anything, just go watch the 3-day masterclass to go see a treat. Add trend. 315 for 10. Yeah, probably. I'll never take roids, though. At least I don't have any plans to right now. I'll take bioidentical TRT when I get older for sure, but I'm good for now. I also have a 6'9" wingspan, guys. It's not easy bringing the arms down that long. I got giraffe arms. Jeez Louise, look at that pump. Never got the pull back down.
Okay, 160 approaching. Let's see what happened here.
Come on, each of y'all better press that bull on my name and adapt that tag. Come on. Represent the bull. We are strong. We go at the market. Horns first. We do not surrender. If you click on Christina's bull or my bull, you can get your own bull. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Would you look? Do I think going to the gym helped with my discipline? I know going to the gym helped with my discipline. It's not even think. It rewired my whole brain. I mean, I started emphasizing how I do one thing is how I do everything. This is insane. This is what I wanted to see. I just wanted to see a bit more of a pullback first. I don't know why I didn't renew before. Kind of odd. Bull, bull, bull. If you click on where it says bull on my name, you can adopt the tag yourself. This is insane. Look at this squeeze. Look at this squeeze. Got it at 115. Nice. Let's go. As a reminder, TikTok, if you want to see my full screen, you can head on over to YouTube. Jdun Trades. I have my full screen share every single day live trading. Every single day you can get full screen share. You just go search up Jdun Trades. That's where my free course is anyway. So you should be subscribed. Anywho, you should be there watching the live trading. This algorithm's great for showing us new people, but as far as getting full screen share and the full experience, you should tap into the YouTube. When is this monthly retrace coming? It might not come at all. What time do you start every day? Around 9 a.m. Eastern time. At latest, market open 9:30 a.m. But I've been going live every single day, like 20, 30 minutes early before market. So just keep your notifications on, especially on YouTube. If you guys click where it has the little bell icon right by my name, just click that and press all. You'll get all your notifications on. So you'll get notified each and every time I go live. You never have to miss a trade. You never miss a discipline session. You never miss a charting session. That's an aggressive candle. If you're looking for a higher low, you can watch for a pullback into here. I don't buy breakouts, but that you missing me.
I'm watching for a retracement of this candle for a long entry.
Yep.
Ideally around 25. Well, we could start our position at 25, 150 area. I guess the ideal entry would be a little closer to the 20s, 30s, but we'll see.
Love for you was strong.
I will be trading MNQ if I take this. And again, this week's lot size. A little choppy.
With the pictures hanging on the wall. Might get that retracement. I'm likely done for the day.
I tried it. Well,
Oh, you tried the longs?
no, I haven't yet. I had my entry a little lower here.
Place in my
I
heart.
got him that time. I meant to take some MNQ loans.
Grizzly took the longs.
Safer entry would be around the 120s.
Grizzly in the longs. Grizzlies and MNQ longs. I am not in anything. Grizzly just tried some longs on this retracement back down.
Two stop points.
2,200, Hendricks. I'm at 2,200 on the day.
Technically, 25,103 for his invalid.
2263. I can see this retest. I just personally am likely done for the day. I'm chilling. I'm going for my 100K month. I can't mess anything up. I want 100 racks plus profit this month trading. You guys all have homework tonight too. Dude, since your classes, I've been going green every day. Let's go. That's amazing, Otaku. Thank you, bro. And guess what? Those free classes I consolidated them into a free course on YouTube. If you're on the YouTube, you can click below here where it says 3-hour free course. Click it, save it, That is your homework the next few days. Watch the free course. Watch all 3 hours of it. Really soak in what I'm teaching and what I'm telling you, and you will be a better trader after. I'm not taking longs. No, I'm not in any trades. That's all of your homework on my YouTube. It's right below in the description. It's the first link there. It says 3-hour free course. Click on it, save it for later, and commit at least 1 hour. All I'm asking for is an hour tonight of watching it. Instead of scrolling on your phone, instead of watching stupid videos that will do absolutely nothing for you, instead of wasting time, watch an hour of that course tonight. And I promise you, you will be a better trader by tomorrow. Appreciate you, Suddenly Retired. Welcome to the stream. Course is amazing. Thanks, Jay. Uncle, come on. Hold on. I'm only 29. You have two choices tonight. You can either waste time. You can waste time. You can scroll. You can do dumb things. Or you can watch the free course. It's in the description below. Hold on. I'll share it in chat too, but you can literally click in the description below on the YouTube live, guys. It's right there. You can come back to this live earlier. It's also pinned. Dude advertising his course more than trading. How much is my course, Sam? I'm curious. Can you please go click on that video and tell me how much it costs to open that YouTube video up? Please let me know what I'll be receiving when you open it. Am I going to be laughing my way to the bank? Getting rich off my free course? I also gave y'all a banger trade earlier. I come in every day and give you guys good trades and good risk management and do my absolute best each and every day to help y'all win, to learn, level up, and win. Uh-oh, that's not looking good. Technically speaking, looking for longs, I think this is the highest probability area with stops below like 100. I'm personally done trading for the day, but
Keep my stops at 1-0 for when it hits that, I'll be out and done for the day. Maybe for the week, come back and have better price action the next one very soon.
you like that I pinned your comment, Tyler? Yeah, what he said. I got a 50K payout. You can trade with Apex too. You can use code Jdun. 80% off with payout protection. I like their 50K and 150K Trade Evade accounts personally. So funny.
Done for today, Greg. Bye, Mr. Beasley.
Funded Next is cool. I actually have a code with Funded Next.
Take care, Jdun. Take care of your family.
I just don't promote them.
See you tomorrow.
I should. They have some good accounts. If you are trading with Funded Next, you can always use code JDUN. Same with Funding Ticks. I just don't promote them much. I have codes. Technically speaking, this would be the long entry down here. See, bro, if you're trading the longs, this would technically be a high probability entry down here. Stops below like 100. I'm personally done trading for the day.
10:35, 5-minute candle right below it is where my stop is. Well, follow along, or if you already stopped out, I understand.
Who do I recommend as your best two trading prop firms? Well, if you want scalability, I recommend Apex. You can use code JDUN for 80% off. If you want it's kind of a tie with Alpha Futures and Tradeify because they have different models. Like Tradeify is great, is the best for straight to funded. Alpha Futures is more similar to Top Step. So if you like Top Step, you'll love Alpha Futures. I also have a code with the funded futures family, but they're fourth on my list. I appreciate you guys supporting me too, always. I never take it for granted. I will always do my best to help you guys learn, level up, and win. I never take your support for granted. I hope you guys know that. Genuinely. Yep, HQ sesh tomorrow as well. I gotta announce that in the...
My stop loss remains the same. When we sweep that 5-minute candle, 10:35, I'll be out. Below it.
Yep, if you're in Colorado, Team Bowl, you want to trade live with me tomorrow? Tyler's in. Gene will be there. Brandon will be there. We got a computer for you and everything. You can come trade live with me in person. Just send me a DM here on Discord. That's a benefit of being a Team Bowl premium member or mastermind student. So send me a DM if you'd like to trade with me live and in person at the office tomorrow. It's it's just outside of Denver, near Littleton. So send me a DM. On Discord. You have 5 spots left. I think we're going to have a massive BullCon soon. Maybe Q1 2026. Let's go, Fibonacci Frank. Damn, that was the long entry down there. What's up, Mile High Barber? If planned out, could we fly to Colorado and trade live with you? Yep, for sure. As a member of this community, you absolutely get that right to come to the office and trade. Something that no other community does. Who else is willing to meet their students and hang out with them and trade with them? Who? Nobody. Team Bulls 101, baby. Come on. We're family here. That's what we do. We are family here. Stream starts at 9 a.m. Eastern time every day, ish. Sometimes a few minutes after, but I always start by market open. I've been live 9 a.m. every day for the past all week. I usually get like 6 to 7 hours of sleep. I just can't sleep 8 hours. I literally just can't. Not every Friday, but a lot of Fridays. Yep. The office is in Littleton area, Centennial. Salt Lake, nice, beautiful place.
Well, we push back up the entry, then we stop me out. Didn't get no continuation there.
No continuation.
We're It just hasn't been in this week.
It's been struggling a little bit.
Oh man, this is not great.
This price action's been pretty wild. As a reminder, y'all, I'm going to remind you guys each day until November 1st. If you have a Tradeify account, make sure you register for the Grand Cup using ambassador code TB. It's not a discount code. It just registers you to trade with Team Bull. If we win the competition, I'm giving away $20K, $20,000 cash inside the Team Bull community. If you need to get a Tradeify account, if you want to trade futures, they have straight to funded and they have evals. You can use code Jdun. Starts November 1st. Just lost trying to catch along. Why the F is trading so hard? I just want to give up. How long you been trading, Abe? That looks like a weak candle. This looks like a downside momentum candle. Tell you that. Dun. How has it only been an hour and a half? That's crazy. What up, Santana?
Well, I think I'm just going to call it a day. I don't see anything else to like. I waited all day on one setup and did not respect technicals.
If you're a premium member, DM me on geez, I can't talk. DM me on Discord. See you, Grizzly. Have a great night, bro. Yeah, Nico, DM me on Discord if you'd like to come. I'm in these longs, Jdun. In your eyes, does it look like we continue up or down? It's hard to say, Marquise. I mean, if you're in the longs, you just got to keep stops below like 95, in my opinion. Right? You're kind of at your inflection point here. There are hundreds of fake Jduns. This man is just that great. Hey, imitation is the greatest form of flattery. I likely don't take any more trades, Johnny. I'm I'm likely down for the day, Mr. Johnny. Usually I'll stick around for at least 2 hours. I might get off a little early today, though. Caught a banger trade earlier. Made 2 racks. Live account. Chilling. Don't let the market take your money. Hey, real quick, YouTube, we still got 500 plus people in here, but how somehow, even after a massive winning trade, we only got 250 likes. Let's get up to 300 likes, guys. Come on. If you haven't liked the live yet, hit that thumbs up, baby. If you're choosing discipline over dopamine to end the week, hit that thumbs up. Come on now. Also, make sure you, right to the left of the thumbs up, you guys have your notifications on. Press where that bell icon is and press all. Yep, right next to my name. Click it. Press all, baby. Appreciate y'all being here. Keeping those noties on. Being a part of the squad. Discipline over dopamine, that's right. And they're really trying to wick out buyers and sellers. This price action is ridiculous. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's just brutality for both sides. These 1 minute wicks are ridiculous. We had some good trades this morning. We had a great trade. And what an aggressive push down. Did I get an MU? No. Dumpster Thursday, man. It's Dumpster Thursday. We do it for our boy. R.I.P. the legend. I need each of y'all in Team Bold to commit to doing one positive thing for yourself today. As a member of this community, I want you guys consistently growing. There's so much negativity. There's so much distraction and so much procrastination in this world that I want Team Bold to be one place you guys come and you can feel that growth. You can commit growth to yourself. You can commit betterness to yourself. Focus on the process. Focus on DOD. Focus on being able to look at yourself tomorrow morning and say, wow, I got better yesterday. I committed to the process. I got comfortable being uncomfortable, and I got better. That's what I want y'all doing in Team Bull each and every day. That's what turns you into a consistently profitable trader over time. Just signed up for Tradeify and used your code. Thank you very much. I appreciate that more than you know. Seriously, I never take you guys supporting me for granted. Also, 80% off Apex ends today. Use code Jdun and lock those accounts in. Even I signed up for Tradeify and use your code. Thank you, Eric. Appreciate you, bro. It means a lot, man. Let's go win that competition. Damn. That's the ultimate whip out. Wake out. 3 accounts on Tradeify. Thanks for all the education, Jdun. Thank you, Matthew. God bless you. Appreciate you, bro. More than you know. 20 or 40% off Apex or Tradeify goes till the 20th. Hey, got a Tradeify account, code Jdun. Thank you, Jaden. Appreciate you, bro. I appreciate all y'all more than you know. Jay put of 8 days trading only 1 day in red. DOD brother, 3-day class helped. Thank you. Let's go, Tommy. Let's go. Better see each and every one of y'all in the gym today, too. Better see y'all choosing DOD in your daily life, too. If you guys ever have any questions about prop firms or any other of my future webinars as well, you guys can DM me on Instagram if you ever want to ask me any questions or talk to me. That's the only place I answer DMs. Jdun Trades. So if you guys have an Instagram account, you can always DM me there. So Traders Divine, TB for the Tradeify is available. It's not a discount though. It's for the Grand Cup. So you sign up to be part of Team Bull for the Grand Cup. Just discipline over dopamine, Jay. That's all it's about. Yeah, if you have any questions about anything, DM me on Instagram. If you have any questions about the Grand Cup or about prop firms or trading or anything really, maybe you just want to say hi, you can DM me on Instagram. You can even say hi. You can even say hello. That'll literally crack me up for real. Damn, got that bounce back. 106.76. All right, y'all. I think that I'm about to mob off for the day. I usually trade till 9:30, but I'm hungry. I got things to do. We made our money for the day. Made our lawyer money. 1,000 plus an hour. All right, y'all. I'm going to mob out. I will be back for Power Hour today. So I'll see you guys inside Team Bull for Power Hour. Trade smart, trade safe, stay patient, stay focused, and do something positive for yourself today. Choose DOD. Choose discipline over dopamine. All right, y'all. God bless. Have a great rest of your day. See you, everybody. I'm out. As a reminder, everyone on TikTok and YouTube, before you go, make sure you guys hit that follow button in the top left corner. I do this every single day. I trade live each and every day. Hit that follow button. I'm so thankful to have you here, and I can't wait to earn your trust and hopefully earn you a lot of money in the market. Hit that follow button, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Or subscribe if you're on YouTube. God bless y'all. Peace. Appreciate the follow, Emmanuel. Appreciate the follow, my boy.